Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike. And today we're talking about something very important and maybe a little uncomfortable.
Yes, a little painful actually. Today's topic is why you're not improving in English and how to fix it.
Ooh, that sounds serious already.
It is serious because so many learners say, I've been learning English for years, but I'm still not fluent, and that can feel very frustrating.
Yes, I hear this all the time. I understand everything, but I can't speak. That sentence is very common.
Exactly. So today, we're going to explain the real reasons why you feel stuck and more importantly, what you can do starting today to improve.
No sugarcoating, just honest advice.
But don't worry, we're not here to make you feel bad. We're here to help you grow.
Yes, we're on your team.
Okay, let's start with the biggest reason, the number one problem.
Drum roll, please.
You study English, but you don't practice English.
Boom, there it is.
Many students watch videos every day. They read grammar books. They write notes. They highlight everything in bright yellow. Their notebook looks beautiful.
Yes, the notebook is perfect, but the speaking is missing.
Exactly. They understand the lesson, they know the rule, but when someone says, okay, now speak, they freeze.
Like a computer that suddenly stops working.
Yes, completely frozen.
So what's the solution?
Simple rule. If you study for 30 minutes, you must practice for 30 minutes. Speak out loud. Repeat sentences. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. English is not a school subject. English is a skill, and skills improve with practice.
You wouldn't learn swimming by reading a book about swimming.
Exactly. You have to jump into the water.
Even if the water feels cold at first.
Especially if it feels cold.
All right, what's the next big problem?
Fear. Fear of making mistakes.
Yes, that one hurts.
Many learners don't speak because they're afraid. They think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I say something stupid?
Can I say something honest?
Please do.
Native speakers make mistakes every single day.
That's true.
We forget words. We change sentences in the middle. Sometimes we start talking and then say, wait, what was I saying?
That's true. I do that all the time.
Language is not about perfection. It's about communication. If people understand you, you are successful.
Yes, communication is the goal, not perfection.
So, how do learners fix this fear?
Start celebrating mistakes. When you make a mistake, say, good, I'm learning. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. If you never make mistakes, it means you never speak.
And not speaking is the biggest mistake of all.
Exactly.
Okay, here's another one. Many students focus only on grammar.
Yes, they think if they learn all 12 tenses, they will become fluent. But that's not true.
Not at all. Grammar is important, but it's only one small part of English. Fluency comes from listening, speaking, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence.
I've met students who can explain the present perfect perfectly,
but they can't order coffee in English.
Exactly. You don't need to memorize complicated rules. Instead of learning subject plus has or have plus past participle, learn real sentences like, I've already finished. I haven't seen it yet. She's just arrived.
Learn in chunks.
Yes, real, useful chunks.
Okay, here's another big problem. translation.
Oh, yes. Many learners think in their language first, then translate into English, then speak.
And by the time they finish translating, the conversation is over.
Exactly. Everyone has moved on.
Translation makes you slow and nervous.
So start thinking in English, even simple thoughts. When you wake up, think, I'm tired. I need coffee. It's cold today. Describe your room. Describe what you're doing.
That builds speed naturally.
Yes, the more you think in English, the faster your brain responds.
Now let's talk about inconsistency.
Oh yes, this one is big.
Many students are very motivated for 1 week. They study 2 hours every day. They feel powerful.
And then they disappear for 3 weeks.
Exactly.
Improvement doesn't come from intensity, it comes from consistency. It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week.
English is like going to the gym.
Yes, you can't go once and expect muscles the next day.
I wish it worked like that.
Me too.
So, what should learners do?
Create a small daily habit. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading. Do it every single day.
Small steps, big results.
Exactly.
Another problem, not enough listening.
Yes, listening is magic. Many students focus only on speaking, but speaking improves when listening improves.
When you listen daily, you absorb pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence patterns.
Your brain copies what it hears, even without realizing it.
So listen to podcasts, interviews, YouTube videos, movies with English subtitles.
But don't just listen passively, repeat what you hear. Pause and copy. Shadow the speaker.
Listen, pause, repeat.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about comparison.
This one is dangerous. You see someone speaking fluent English on social media and think, I'll never be like that.
But you don't see their 5 years of practice.
Or their thousands of mistakes.
Comparison kills motivation.
Instead, compare yourself to yesterday. Are you better than last month? If yes, you're improving.
That's the only competition that matters.
Now let's give everyone a clear action plan.
Yes, practical steps.
First, speak every day, even 5 minutes. Talk about your day. Explain your opinions. Your mouth must move.
English improves when your mouth moves.
Second, record yourself. It feels awkward at first. You press record and suddenly forget all English.
That panic moment is real.
But recording helps you notice your mistakes.
And improvement starts with awareness.
Third, learn 5 useful sentences daily. Not 50 words, 5 powerful sentences. After 30 days, you'll know 150 useful sentences.
That's huge progress.
Fourth, shadow native speakers. Copy their tone, speed, emotion. It feels strange at first.
But it builds natural rhythm.
And finally, stop waiting to feel ready. Many students say, I'll speak when my English improves, but English improves when you speak.
Confidence comes from action, not waiting.
Exactly.
Let me ask everyone listening something. If fear disappeared today, if nobody judged you, would you speak more English?
I think the answer is yes.
So imagine nobody is judging you.
Start today.
You're not bad at English.
You're not slow.
You're learning.
And improvement is coming if you don't quit.
Fluency is not a destination.
It's a daily habit.
All right, everyone, that's it for today.
Practice something right now, not tomorrow.
Not next week,
right now.
We believe in you.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.